What about your latest study concerning the talent shortage?
Yeah, well, we annually launch a survey called Talent Shortage, and what we do there is to ask the hiring managers globally, around 40,000 companies, if they're having or trespassing difficulties to find the right talent for their organizations. And this year, what we find out is that it's the highest level from the last 12 years that we have been doing the survey, and we reached the 45% of those companies survey. They said they're having difficulty. So it's a quite concerning response. Okay, there even we have, for example, Japan. 89% of the employers are saying that they really are having difficulties, and in different countries can be for different reasons. Some of them can be demographics, for example, here in Europe, also, for example, in Japan, and in other is because they have lack of applicants. They can be lack of hard skill. They can be also, for example, soft skills not showing, etc. So, and quite of the importance of this survey is that we actually ask, why are you having difficulties? Okay, it's not just if you are having. And for example, on the main tops are lack of experience. Okay, and that's I think a warning for our technical schools that they will have to put the young people on internship before they have to end their career. So, because right now, for example, when you see the unemployment rates around the world, maybe you can have a country with 5% of unemployment, but 70% of that 5% is young people, okay? And they're not finding jobs, but at the same time, employers are saying that they don't have people with experience. So it's kind of tricky there, but again, it's about trying to mitigate this kind of challenges.
Today, WMF presented their annual report and presented also the 10 skills that are most important. Do you find they're the same as you find in your experience?
Actually, I think we're talking about the same topics, okay? Regarding soft skills for the manufacturing industry, we're talking about problem solvers. We're talking about communications. We're talking about leadership. Yes, a lot of them are soft skills, and of course, in the hard skills part, we have all the technicals and the hard skills that they need for the different. Of course, it's not the same for the automotive that from the beverage manufacturing, but again, it's also about the hard skills.